ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display Information System. It is an electronic chart that is interfaced with various navigational sensors, position fixing system, radar, AIS, etc. Hence providing all navigational information in one system. Features of ECDIS. Position fixing. Position fixing can be done directly at regular intervals with help of any position fixing system like GPS or Lorenz-C. Continuous monitoring of ship's position with respect to its planned track and available sea route. Radar or ARPA picture can be interfaced with ECDIS. Targets acquired by ARPA can also be similarly monitored. Targets 1 and 2 can be seen on the screen. The respective targets can also be seen on this particular screen. Passage planning can be done on ECDIS. Route plan used earlier can be saved in the system and recalled for later use. Most of the information required for passage planning is available in ECDIS itself, like wind, tide, climate, weather, etc. And ETA also can be accurately worked out. To facilitate passage monitoring, various alarms can be set. If any parameter is impeded, the alarm will get activated. Alarms like depth alarm, waypoint, cross track, CPA and TCPA, fishing ground, pipeline area, anchorage area, restricted area, etc. Designing of own chart can be done. That is, in vector chart, the data is stored in layered information, enabling the user to deselect certain categories of data such as textual descriptions which may clutter the display and may not be required all the time. Interrogation is also possible. That is, detailed information about lights, buoys, beacons, etc. Customization is also possible. The scale of the chart can be changed as per navigational conditions without distorting the informations, and cluttering can also be avoided. Also, the zoom function is available. The electronic range and bearing line is also available. With this, we can take the range and bearing of any point. Any event can be marked on the chart with respect to the UTC time and position. On the screen is an event that took place at 12:07. Chart data is seamless, that is, the charts are continuous without any boundary. The ECDIS will also automatically maintain a soft copy of the logbook. The chart can be updated and corrected correctly with the help of a floppy or a disk or from the satellites. The chart symbols in this system are as per S52.